Wow, guys, take a look at this. Adam Aron just tweeted about the short interest, probably trying to cause a little bit of a short squeeze. So that'll be very interesting to see how AMC stock does perform after this. Let's take a brief look at it. This tweet just came out about 1 minute ago, seeing a little bounce here. This is very interesting. So Adam Aron said 2 minutes ago, in January, the officially reported short interest in AMC rose by 13.8% from 94.8 million short shares on December 31st to 107.8 million shares on January 31st. I still have an interest in 2.3 million AMC shares, so I hope these short sellers are wrong. Only time will tell. This is something that is unprecedented. I don't think he's ever commented on the short interest in this fashion, and people are eating it up. You guys can see the numbers are going crazy right now. I just retweeted his tweet, so check out the Twitter account if you guys want access to all of the breaking news, anything I find interesting over there. I do post quite often on Twitter, as well as that. If you guys want access to all of my trades in real time, check out the pinned comment down below. But let's take a look at AMC, obviously, for the day, see what is going on. And AMC is dropping a little bit more now, as the markets are also hitting very low levels. This is coming off of some Ukraine headlines. Yes. The U.S. government, Jake Sullivan, was just giving a press conference. He said that the invasion of Ukraine could come before the end of the Olympics. The Olympics end February 20th. So they're basically saying over this weekend, by next week, this invasion could happen. It has spiked oil through the roof. And even gold. Gold is up 7% today. What the hell is going on? This is a gold miner. Barrett Gold does closely correlate with the price of gold. The actual gold is up like 3 or 4% today. So kind of crazy in that regard. As well as that, you do have other things that are going on, like rumors about the Fed coming out and actually doing an emergency rate hike on Monday. There is a scheduled Fed meeting. Well, it was an unscheduled Fed meeting. Now it is a scheduled Fed meeting. This article says, why is the Fed suddenly holding an unscheduled expedited closed board meeting on Monday? Goes over the last time this happened in 2015. You did see the first rate hike after 2006. And that was in 2015, almost 2016, and it happened about 1 week after that expedited meeting. And this comes off the back of Fed Bullard's comments about inflation and the fact that essentially the Fed needs to take action right away, and he would not be opposed to a meeting from now until March 16th to raise interest rates for the first time. So these articles are coming out at not the best times. The Ukraine situation as well as the Fed situation. Premiums are printing to the downside. You're seeing a lot of fear. The fact that gold is moving the way it is today. Oil is also moving like crazy today. Take a look at oil as well. Just do the USO. Not what I wanted to do. USO, United States Oil Fund. You can see that is up 2.66%. As soon as the Ukraine news came out, it shot up. I believe this was about 5 to 7% as well. So you're seeing a mass just panic. Everybody is panicking at this current moment. We have a lot of puts that are printing out nicely as the SPY is flushing under 440. This is getting very insane. I do want some downside exposure at the current moment, but things could always change. So like I said, if you guys want access to all of my trades in real time, link down below in the description of this video. All our trades are up a couple 100%, even ones we put on today. We got some UVXY calls. We have some SPY puts as well. A lot of these rumors might be a little credible about the Fed just because they have now scheduled this meeting. And that mixed with Ukraine, like I said, I cannot underestimate how big this move is today. With the SPY down 2.16%, just breaking all key levels, flushing down. It's getting very bad for the markets. You guys can see the volume that has come in too. I mean, just in the beginning of the day, now it's severely elevated, and it looks like we might see one of those end of the day flushes. As far as AMC and the actual institutional order flows, you're looking at 45% positive for the day. Yesterday was at 72% positive. Short interest is sitting at 22.05%. Current shares that are sold short of 113.18 million. Share utilization is 100% still. So looking good in that aspect. Adam Aron, this tweet is kind of crazy. People are eating that up. Hopefully there's not any regulatory concerns about tweeting like that. Shouldn't be the case, but nevertheless, you never know. Now, as far as the max pain, it's looking at like $18 by the end of today, and that does correlate. I mean, we're at $18.57 per share, getting a little bit of a bounce off the bottom right here. So looking good in that aspect. Something else I do want to point out is that AMC is only down 0.22%. So it is following the broad markets, but it's holding up a lot better than the broad markets. Does suggest to me that institutions are very bullish on AMC, and AMC is around its fundamental valuation. So keep all of that in mind. I just wanted to make this brief video for you guys to give you guys the scoop on exactly what is happening before the end of trading. So hit that like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you guys want access to all of my trades. Link down below in the pinned comment, as well as my Twitter account. Go ahead, follow me over there as well. You want to get yourself some free money? Not a bad idea. Check out the link for Moomoo, Weeble, and Public down below in the description of this video as well. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.